Week 5 of physics was laid back and dedicated to our What a Drag project. We were provided with the time to work on our team instruction manual as well as our multimedia presentation for Performance Day on September 29th. This was rather helpful and allowed us time to ask David any last-minute questions to make our project the very best it could be. We started class Monday by working on the physics portion of our team instruction manual. We began editing portions of each member's topics and deciding exactly how it applied to our project. We did this for position, velocity, displacement, drag, impulse, acceleration, and Newton's 3 laws of motion. This worked out well because I was not 100% sure how my topics pertain to our project. With the help of my group, I was able to obtain a greater understanding of the material. We left class on Monday, and our group was required to have information and make up the research and development section by next class. On Wednesday, we finished our team instructional manual by entering our information collected on the history of drag racing, what it was, and what our project was all about. We searched for video clips to include in our multimedia presentation, and we obtained some from Talladega Nights, Fast and the Furious, and Hot Rod. We were told at the end of class that our physics section was not to be entered into our final presentation. This was frustrating because we spent a lot of time gathering information and planning out what each clip of our movie was going to be about. We decided to meet out of class and worked out our situation on Thursday afternoon. We each recorded a portion of our project and used pictures, songs, and clips to make the whole thing possible. I was pleased with our final product. I learned that this class takes a lot more time than I ever imagined. I am not crazy about Mac computers because I spent a lot of time outside of class working on our project and had to start over again when coming to class. I've learned that we really need to plan out everything in advance for our next 2 projects. Megan taught us about a program that allows you to download a movie clip from any website to use in your multimedia presentation, and this will be helpful for our next project. I've learned that Google Documents are a good way to collaborate and share information, but when working in class, it is hard because it becomes updated frequently by the people sitting at your own table. I learned that Wally Parks was the founder and president of the National Hot Rod Association, and that he created it in order to legalize racing. This got drag racers off the streets and into what became one of the greatest spectator sports of all time. I've learned that I have a better understanding of physics in terms of our project, and this should help me be less stressed when doing our one-on-one interviews. I definitely learned that time needs to be well planned in advance for our next 2 projects. I'm hoping that it will become easier since we got the first one out of the way. In conclusion, I am excited and eager for Performance Day and what it entails. It will be interesting and fun to watch everyone's multimedia presentations. It is going to be nice knowing that our project is done and now we get to show it off.